Do you need to create a spreadsheet in Microsoft Excel but have no idea where to begin? This video will teach you everything you know about editing your first spreadsheet in Microsoft Excel. In an open Microsoft Excel, click Blank Workbook to create a new workbook. This creates a blank spreadsheet called Sheet 1. You can add another sheet by clicking plus next to the first sheet. The first thing you'll notice is that the spreadsheet contains hundreds of rectangular cells organized into vertical columns and horizontal rows. All rows are labeled with numbers along the side of the spreadsheet, while the columns are labeled with letters along the top. Each cell has an address consisting of the column letter followed by the row number. Press the Tab key to move to the next cell in the row, or the Enter key to the next cell in the column. Notice that as you type into the cell, the content also appears in the bar that runs across the top of the spreadsheet. This bar is called the formula bar. To edit a cell that already has data, double-click it to bring back the cursor. To delete the data from one cell, click the cell once and then press Delete. To delete multiple cell values at once, press Ctrl as you click each cell you want to delete, and then press Delete. To add a new blank column between existing columns, right-click the letter above the column after where you'd like the new one to appear, and then click Insert on the context menu. To add a new blank row between existing rows, right-click the row number for the row after the desired location, and then click Insert on the menu. Check out the functions available for advanced uses. One of the most useful features of Excel is its ability to look up data and perform calculations based on mathematical formulas. Click the Formulas tab. You'll notice several icons in the panel labeled Function Library. Once you know how the different functions work, you can easily browse the library using those icons. Click the Insert Function icon. This opens the Insert Function panel, which allows you to search for what you want to do or browse by category. The default category is Most Recently Used. Click any function in the Select a Function. Click Cancel when you're done browsing. Save your file when you're finished editing.
If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.